Good lunchtime, everyone. Well, it is lunchtime, and today for lunch I thought, you know what? I picked up some avocados the other day on special, 4 for $5, so I couldn't resist buying those. And well, I thought, what better lunch to make today than an amazing egg and avocado salad. This is one that my grandma used to make for me. Oh, well, to be honest, I don't even know if they had avocados 100 years ago, because that's about how old I am. But she did used to make hers using Vegemite. So today, this egg and avocado sandwich is going to have a nice Aussie twist. So let's check out the other ingredients that I'm using today. So, some other things I'm using 1 avocado for this. And for 1 avocado, I'll be using 2 boiled eggs. Of course, I've got some Vegemite here, and I'll be mixing that with... No, it's not a shoehorn, that's some mayonnaise. And I've got some bread here as well, which I will be toasting. So these are some garlic chives. So if you got some of these, use those as well. Let's start making this. Alright, well, let's clear some space and get started on this. Now, for starters, I boiled some eggs. I've pre-boiled some. Now, I don't know if you know how to boil eggs, but basically, all you got to do is put them in some cold water, put them on the stove. When they start boiling, then you just got to wait 6 for soft eggs, or up to 10 minutes if you want them hard eggs. I boiled these for 7 minutes, so we'll see how they turned out. And I added salt to the water to hopefully make the eggshells come off easier and faster. Let's see if it worked. Give them a nice smash, break some of that shell. See if it comes off in nice big clumps. Well, have a look at that. It's coming off faster than my clothes on Father's Day. Well, that was easy. It worked! Yes! Now I've got this avocado here. We all know how unlucky you can or cannot be with an avocado. Most of the time you cut them in half and they are brown and horrible. Oh God! So let's pray to the Lords that this one isn't. Let's do some praying, folks. Clamp your hands together. Clamp them together. See if this one's gonna be good enough to eat or not. Gee, I did a bad job cutting this. Look at that! Tim, that's not how you cut them! Right. Well, most of it is edible. Look at the size of that seed. This could be the smallest seed I've ever seen. I've had hemorrhoids bigger than that seed. Not a bad avo though, considering. And even though there is that little bit of brown on there, I'm still pretty happy at the way this avocado turned out. Yeehaw! Alrighty, Grandma! So we'll grab a bowl and we'll start scooping this avocado. Oh dear. Well, it's not all happy days, is it? There's a little bit of brown on the back, but that's alright. I'll forgive you. I'm still pretty ecstatic about how much good avocado was in this avocado, so that's still good enough. Just scrape that bit of brown off, except it's still going. How deep's that brown gonna go? Oh no. Well, you can't win them all. That's why I'm using a whole avocado. Let's hope and pray. Again, clamp your hands, fellas. Hey, not bad. All right. Well, I'm happy with that amount. So I'll get a fork and I'll start mashing that. And we'll throw the eggs in as well. Oh, look how that turned out. That was a 7-minute egg and it's still got that nice little bit of yellow in there with that creaminess, which is all right. I'm actually pretty happy with the way this is turning out. Well done. Well, this is great. So we'll mash that together nicely. Actually, I did want to add some of these chives in as well. I just want to dice some of this up. Now you could also use like parsley or hay, or maybe some like grass or some buds from your marijuana plants. Coriander. Nah, probably wouldn't use that. But hey, just use something that resembles something green. These garlic chives will just be perfect for this. So I'll put half of these in the mix. Well, that's pretty much nearly done. So now all I need to do is add the Vegemite and mayonnaise mix. Let's do that. So for this, I just need a little bit of Vegemite, not too much. See, normally you would add salt, but instead of the salt, I'm just going to be adding Vegemite, so same horse, different jockey. Now if you don't have Vegemite, you can always use some Promite, or some Marmite, or some Bovril, or maybe...
Milo.
Some Milo. Yeah. No, not Milo! just something that's similar to this. So for half a spoon of Vegemite, I'll add about 2 spoons of mayonnaise there. That's probably about 3 or 4, but still. We'll just mix this in together. That's looking pretty good, huh? I can just see every Australian's mouth watering with anticipation. I can see it. Let's try some. Yum. Alright, so now let's add this mayo and Vegemite mix into here. And we'll finish this off by mixing it through. Oh, and something else I really love, especially on avocados, is white pepper. So I'll just give a bit of a sprinkle of that in there as well. One little last mix through. And there we go, so that's ready. So now it's time to toast the toast. Right, into the old $8 Kmart toaster we go. Yep, pretty impractical, it only cooks after toast. One day, I'll get a decent toaster. Maybe when it dies, I'll get a new one.
I've been working for you for 4 years. I ain't never gonna die.
Well, obviously you haven't seen the hammer that I've got downstairs in the garage. If worse comes to worse, you'll be copping it! And then I'll get my new toaster. Yeah. Oh! Well, I tell you what, that's got to be one of the best bits of toasted breads you've ever produced, toaster. Maybe there's some hope for you yet. Okay, well, let's finish this sandwich off. Alright, so, on with the bread, but of course, you can't just have bread on its own, can you? Oh, no! God bless you. If you know anything about old Grego, you know to his toast he's going to add some butter. Oh yeah, I love this stuff. Oh yeah, it's God's gift to man. I'll just get a bit of butter. Spread it on this toast. I won't put too much because it's not just me having this. Well, this one can be mine. And this one can be Bernice's because she doesn't like butter as much as I do. How am I still in a relationship with someone that doesn't love butter as much as I do? Well, that's the beauty about it. She doesn't like the butter, so I get to eat her portion. Yes, it's perfect relationship. So now it's time to put this egg, mayo, avocado, Vegemite mix on top of the bread. That is quite a feast. Let's put it on. Make sure it goes from coast to coast. Yeah. And of course, to finish this off, I'll sprinkle it with some extra chives that I saved on top. And if you want to charge $20, yeah, just make sure you sprinkle some on the plate. That always value adds. Yeah. Alright, well there we go. The avocado egg salad with a Vegemite mayo twist. Just the way that Grandma used to make. Okay, let's go. Oh my God. Oh. Wow, that is one of the best things that I've had in such a long time. It's just so delicious. It's amazing. And I know I say it all the time, but you really do have to try this one. This just rocks my world. It really is something you need to try. So make sure you do give it a go, and if you do make it, let us know down below how yours turned out. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. Thanks to all my Patreons that help me make my videos every week. Remember to show this video some thumb and love. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time for my next recipe. Catch you then. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made an egg and avocado sandwich with an Aussie twist using my favourite Vegemite.